DIY stone, granite, quartz countertop cleaner. This not only will save you money, it also disinfects too. I'm a professional house cleaner and I have tried all the products on the market, and I'll have to tell you, this is my go-to. Easy to make with 2 simple ingredients. Okay, you're gonna need 70% rubbing alcohol, and any dish soap that you prefer or that you like will work for this recipe. You will need a cleaning bottle and a funnel. If you don't want to use the cleaning bottle, you can use the alcohol bottle. This is a pro tip. Most tops are universal, so just take off the squirt top just like this and get a spray nozzle out of another cleaning bottle just like this, and you add it to your alcohol bottle. So you can do this right in the alcohol bottle. You don't have to have a cleaning bottle. Just know that it's a DIY granite cleaner. So pour your alcohol about 3/4 full in the cleaning bottle, and then you add a couple of drops of dish soap, 3 drops. This works fantastic on glass and mirrors, by the way, as well too. And then you fill it full of water. Now this will take about 30 seconds to disinfect, so you want it to sit on the surface for at least 30 seconds and then wipe it off. It's safe, it's effective, and easy to make. Want to know what? It's one easy click right there. Hit the follow button to get more practical cleaning tips from a pro house cleaner.